Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Hello friends and welcome to our channel TubeCore, and in this video we are going to tell you how you can make money online as a kid. So if you're new to online marketing, if you don't know what to do, if you're trying to kill your quarantine time and you want to make some extra income while staying at home, this video is going to teach you step by step how you can earn money online, or how you can make money online as a teenager, as a kid, when you have nothing to do at home. Okay, so make sure you watch this video till the end, because it's a step-by-step process. You'll have to follow the steps. If you don't, then you will not know what to do, and that means you will not make money by watching 10 videos on YouTube. Okay, so instead of watching 10 videos for only 2 minutes each, it is better to watch 2 videos for 10 minutes each, so that you can understand what people are talking or teaching you, so that you can apply that knowledge in your life, and then you can start making money online. Okay, so the very first mistake is, which you don't want to do, is not subscribe. So make sure you subscribe to the channel first and then hit the like button. And the real mistake which you don't need to make is this. So the secret is out, that in order to make money online, you need to stop wasting money online. In other words, if somebody tells you that you buy some product or you buy some course online and that will make you money, so avoid all that. Because if you're only a 15-year-old kid, or maybe you're a 60-year-old retired person, if you know nothing about affiliate marketing, if you don't know how the internet works, so the very first tip, very important tip, is that you should not waste or invest your money in any kind of program which says make money online, follow this, follow that, and you will get rich. So avoid by making this first mistake. This is the first mistake every newbie makes. He or she ends up paying a lot of money in some courses, thinking that you will get rich by buying those courses or products. Okay, so avoid this mistake here, and I will guide you step by step how you can make money online for free. All right, now make sure you stick till the end, otherwise you'll not learn anything. Now the website which we're going to use is going to be xavizu.com. okay, so we're going to learn about affiliate marketing here, and the website which you will need to earn money online for free is JVZoo in this example. So you need to go to google.com, type in JVZoo login or jvzoo.com, and you will get into this website here. So I am logged in already. In your case, you will need to sign up first for a JVZoo affiliate account, and once you're signed up here, you will get the dashboard like this. Okay, so this is my new account for demo purposes, and this is the seller dashboard, this is the affiliate dashboard, which means when you make sales as an affiliate, your earnings will display here. Okay, and I will teach you everything, how to find products in JVZoo, which products to promote, which products to avoid, and then how to promote them. Okay, so make sure you keep watching. All right, now let's assume that you are logged into your JVZoo dashboard. Now you need to find products which will you promote. Okay, so let's go to affiliate section here right at the top, and you click on the affiliate dashboard, and now you click on find products. Okay, so once you hit find products, you will see the section where all the products will be displayed which are on sale. So let's just wait while this dashboard is loading. Nearly getting there. Okay, so it's showing right now 25 rows. We can extend it to 250 rows. That means it's going to load again, and we'll walk you through how do you choose the right product to promote, because there are a lot of statistics we'll need to get into in order to promote this product. And now here you can see this is the product which has been making 38,000 sales. So since 2014, this product has been sold 38,000 times. Now we don't need to sell the product which was launched way back in 2014, because nobody's gonna pay any attention to this. Okay, so what we're gonna do here is we're going to first of all sort the listing as per launch date, and even before launch date I'll give you the trick here that you need to see those products which will be launching in the coming future, and for that make sure you click on this thing called show pre-launch listings. Okay, and then now you click on launch date, and then let's see what happens. Still loading. JVZoo is slow. Okay. Still loading. Finally, we got something now. So it shows you all these products which are getting launched, recently. And you see here 27th of June, this Mayo Niche Light and this and that. Now you have to do your homework here because you'll have to find a product which is either a very reputable product, which means that the owner of the product has made a lot of sales in the past. Otherwise, you'll have to go by the number of sales here. So right now you can see there are 100 plus sales. So this product was launched only yesterday and 100 plus copies have been sold, and the refund rate is 0% and 50% commission is what you're gonna get. Okay, so again, you can come there. It shows here sold, how many copies has been sold, and what is the EPC? It's like average per earning per click. Okay, so how much this product is worth per click. And then you are going to go for average price. It's like $19 for this product, $23 for this one, and this is the commission percentage, 50% here. Refund rate is 000. Now, how do you actually find which is the hot product which will be sold? Okay, now for that we are going to go to a website called muncheye.com. okay, now remember this website muncheye.com because this tells you the hot products which are going to be launched in the future. Now, as you can see here, big launches are coming on 27th of June on JVZoo. It is called Meme Buddy. Okay, so you want to make sure that you go ahead and find Meme Buddy, and also you click on this Ignite. So in this case, if you click on Meme Buddy here, you will need to contact these people in order to get your affiliate link. So once you're on their once you're on their website here, you need to make sure you click on these links and it will give you all the details which you need. So in this case, first of all, we need the affiliate link. So we're going to click on this thing called affiliate link, and this will take you back to your JVZoo dashboard. Okay, now here you will need to request the affiliate link. So you'll need to just type in anything here that how will you promote the product. Like if you're a blogger, you will write some reviews. If you're a YouTuber, you will make some videos. So write everything here and then tick this box, and click on request approval. Now once your request is approved, you will be able to promote the links and get 50% commission. Now make sure before you go ahead and promote any product, make sure you check out the vendor profile. And here you can see this vendor has made 68,000 plus sales already, and he is a top 2% seller on JVZoo, which means if you promote his product, it's good to go because his product is going to go viral and you will have more chances to make sales. So this is one thing this is the one trick you need to go after. You go to muncheye.com, find all these products, go into these products one by one, and especially for big launches, because this is what you would like to promote. Okay, now imagine, let's assume that you got your affiliate links approved. Now you have an affiliate link, and also if you're providing some bonuses, you will have a URL section. So once you get approved, you will see that you will be able to add your URL into your bonus page, and then you will be able to give out those bonuses to the people who are whom you're offering to your product. Okay, now let's say we got your product approved and you got your affiliate links. What's next? What is the next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna promote those links. Now how do you get traffic? Because affiliate marketing is only good if you have massive traffic to your offers. Okay, how you bring your traffic, it's entirely on you, but in this case we're going to talk about some free options. To start with, you can use your social media. You can use your Facebook or Twitter or LinkedIn account. Now the way you're going to do on the Facebook is it's an old technique here. So you go to your Facebook search box, type in make money online, and then here click on groups. Okay, and then you need to join all these groups. So you have 130k members, 96k members, 65k members. So you'll have to join these groups, maybe join 5 groups a day. And once your request is approved, then you have to just provide value in the post. So if you have to post like, hey, this is the offer, this is the video editing software. If you want to edit your YouTube videos, try this particular software, and then you put in your affiliate link in that post. So once people find that, okay, you're promoting a video editing software, and if they like it, if they want to buy it, then they will end up buying it using your affiliate link, and that is how you will make commission in your Zavizu dashboard. This is one way you can promote your offers using Facebook for free. And if that doesn't work, then you have to go for more advanced option. Now the more advanced option are going to be like making YouTube videos. Okay, so in this case here, let's say the product is Meme Buddy. Now Meme Buddy is kind of a video editing software which makes videos for you. So you will have to do the review for Meme Buddy, like, you know, Meme Buddy review page or whatever. So either you can write a blog review for Meme Buddy, or you can do a YouTube video for Meme Buddy. So these are two advanced options. Both are free. I mean, YouTube is free. You just have to make a channel and then make, you know, review videos for any product, not just for Meme Buddy. Any product which you wanna, you know, make sales for, you can review all those products, and then in the description of the video you can put your affiliate link, and if people are watching that review video, if they like it, they're going to click on the link in the description below, and then they're going to buy that software, and then you will make commissions. Okay, and in the end, lastly, if you want to make money writing blog, let's say you don't want to you know, come on the camera, or you're not good in, you know, speaking, so you want to avoid making videos, then you can go for your own blogs. Okay, now why you need to start a blog? Because it's a long-term strategy, right? Having a YouTube channel or having a blog is a long-term strategy. Now in case of blogging, you have 4 options. 3 options are free and 1 option is paid, and the 4th option is a long-term. But let's talk about the free options first, because if you have to start a blog, make sure you either write your blog on medium.com. remember the name of the website is medium.com, or you go to Google Sites, sites.google.com, or you go to blogger.com. So you can use these 3 websites, medium.com, Google Sites, or blogger.com, and then you write your blog post, your review post here on these websites, and then your blog will get organic traffic in Google, and then people will visit your, you know, blog, and they will find your affiliate links inside that blog, and that's how you'll make money. Now why I'm showing you these 3 websites only, because let's copy this medium.com and we go to another website called hrefs.com/backlink-checker. Now you put in the link here and you click on check backlinks here, because you need to find out what is the domain authority for medium.com and blogger.com and Google Sites, because these are so strong websites. Because medium.com, I think, will have a domain rating of 94, as you can see. So this is a website having domain rating of 94 out of 100. Okay, so if you publish your blog on medium.com or on Google Sites or on this blogger.com, you will have very good chances of ranking your blogs organically in Google search for free. You only have to produce the content, you only have to write the review, and then put in your links in between the review, and that's how you can make money online with Zavizu or with any other affiliate marketing platform for free. And this is totally free, right? Now in this case, you can have the review maybe on Google Sites, maybe on blog. Just choose one of them, because all the websites has the strong domain authority as 94, 95. Now let's go on to the 4th website. 4th website is going to be your own website. Okay, so if you if you're thinking about long term, then these are not your website. So medium.com is not your website. You do not have any control. They can unpublish your blog if it is against the policy and things like that. So if you want to have a long-term blogging career, then you should go and start your own website, your own WordPress blog. And for that, you will need a domain and you will need a hosting account. Now for that, you will either go to some companies like GoDaddy or Bluehost or DreamHost or something else, and you will pay them monthly subscription. But I wouldn't recommend you doing that if you're starting as a newbie. Okay, so in this case, what I recommend is you go into the website which is there in the description below. So there's a link in the description which gives you unlimited hosting. All right, so once you click on the link, you will find that they provide you unlimited hosting, which means that you just pay it one time, and then you can have your unlimited website hosted for lifetime, which means you don't have to pay any, from next month onwards. It's all one time, and you don't have to pay every month. It's only a one-time investment for you, maybe 17 bucks, 20 bucks for one time, and that gives you to have your website going live instantly at just one-time price. So these are the 4 websites which you can use: medium.com, Google Sites, blogger.com, or maybe start your own blog and write your content or you can go to Facebook groups. So you have to do some hard work. You have to do a lot of hard work if you're trying to make income online. YouTube, I think, is the best platform to start making review videos. Second best is the blogging, and eventually, if you can't do any of those, then you'll have to look for other social media platforms like Facebook or LinkedIn or other Quora, Answers.com. You'll have to visit those websites to make money online. And in this video, I think this will be all. That will be all. And now, again, you want to go ahead and sign up for the account or buy hosting, so click on the link in the description below. And we will end this video for now. Leave your comments, like this video, and let us know, other topics that what do you want to see. If you want to make money on ClickBank, let us know in the comment, and we will make videos as per your request. So thank you for watching. Do subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video now.